how to install all Khmer fonts on your PC. So if you want to install the fonts, then what you need to do is first you need to go with your browser. On your browser, you need to go with search, and under search here, you need to search for font free download. Once you've searched, now you need to go with any one of these options. So I'll just simply go with the first one. And here you will have download option. You just need to simply click on download and it will start the downloading process. Once it's downloaded, you can just simply go with downloads, which is on the top right. And here you need to go with open file location. And you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply double click on it and you will have all of these fonts right here. So you just need to simply click on the font and it will ask you if you want to install it. So you just need to simply go and install all of these fonts. Select all of these fonts and then right click on it, and then you can go with extract, or just create a new folder and add all of these fonts to your new folder, and you can just simply right click and you can extract or install them from here. Or you can take the whole folder, right click on it, go with extract all. And in this way, you'll be able to install all of your fonts on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.